Hi everyone, it's Alex from Risk Academy. I'm here at the Firma conference in Copenhagen, Denmark, and I wanted to post a challenge. And the challenge is have a think about what is your risk management end game. What is the ultimate success of risk management? And it's very important. Don't think about it too broadly. Increasing the likelihood of achieving your objectives. That's way too broad and not particularly practical or helpful in your work. So think, go to the ground. Think in very simplistic terms because for most of you watching right now, I can probably guess that your end game is to have a risk management processes that allow you to generate and monitor some sort of reports that communicate to the decision makers and to the executives and to the audit committees and board what are the risk exposures, what's the status of the risk exposures, what are the top risks, who's managing them, how they're managing them, but very high level. So risk reporting and kind of creating this risk disclosure to rating agencies, to external auditors, to financial institutions or local regulators, creating that transparency and disclosure, that is certainly one of the end games, no doubt. But it is literally the least important one. So have a think about what are the other end games in risk management that you moving towards, you're focusing on, because answering that supposedly very simple question, answering that question will highlight to you how your risk management approach should change quite dramatically, because generating risk reports is not that difficult and it's actually not that time consuming. You can probably automate risk reporting in a second, but that's not really the end game. What is the end game in your company? It could be more than one, and in fact it should be more than one, because there are multiple different end games in risk management. Do let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like.